Hey everyone, welcome to Pabbly. Guys, in this video, you are going to learn an email marketing automation to save your time while growing your business. So guys, here we are going to integrate Fluent Form plugin of WordPress with UseInBox application to set up an automation. So guys, we are using Fluent Forms plugin to create a web form to collect leads for your business, and we are using UseInBox application for email marketing. So guys, here let me show you how this automation is going to help you in this. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here we have connected Fluent Forms with UseInBox application in such a way that as and when any of your lead is going to fill and submit this form and opt in for your emails, the contact details of the same person is going to be added in a list in UseInBox application automatically. Okay, so here you need not to manually sort out the contact details of the form submitters, and you do not have to manually add the contacts in a list. So it will surely save a huge amount of time of yours and improve your productivity as well. And guys, to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part is you can set up this automation without any coding skills. Okay, so let's set up this automation with me right now. So to start, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you need to create a workflow. And if you want to reach here, you can use this link, which is pabblyconnect.com/connect, and you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and log in to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Fluent Forms to UseInBox automation. Okay, so you can give any suitable name. Now you have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading here. And here you will see the trigger and the action. So automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of an event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. And as in this use case, the trigger would be a form submission received from any lead via Fluent Forms, and the action would be to add the contact in UseInBox application. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, choose the trigger application first, which is Fluent Forms. So search for Fluent Forms here. This is it, select it. And in the trigger event, select new form submission. And it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application and bring it here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with Fluent Form plugins by following these instructions written here. So you can follow the instructions carefully, and you can also make the connection. Let me show you how exactly we can do this. First of all, copy this webhook URL. Okay, then go to the dashboard of WordPress, which is here. And here you will find in the settings, let me show you, here are the settings option. Here you will find this WP Webhooks plugin, which you have to install it already. And under the WP Webhooks, you will find this send data option. Click on send data. All right. And under the send data, when you scroll down, you will find this Fluent Forms option. Okay, this is Fluent CRM, this is LearnDash, this is Fluent Forms. Okay, so under this Fluent Forms, you will find this form submitted option. Click on form submitted, and under this form submitted section, click on this add webhook URL button, and here you can give any name to this webhook URL. So I'm giving the name as to inbox. Okay, and here in the webhook URL field, you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from here, paste it here like this. Okay, then click on add for Fluent Form submitted. Okay, so you can see a new webhook has been added here. You can see, you will find it in the last, this is it, to inbox. And guys, here you have to click on this 3 dots and then click on settings, and under the settings you have to select a trigger. Let us follow the instructions. Under the trigger on selected forms on which you want to add the webhook. Okay, so you have to select the form here. So here I have already created a form inside WordPress, and the name of the form is UseInBox form. Let me show you this one, inbox contact form. So this one I have created, and this is the form. Let me show you. This is a form I have embedded in a landing page, and the name of this form is here. So I'm selecting this form. Okay, now click on save settings. Okay, so you can see the settings are saved and we have added a webhook connection here. Now let me show you the forms I have created with the help of Fluent Forms plugin. So this is Fluent Forms, you can see, and I'm clicking on all forms. Okay, and under the all forms you can see I have created this inbox contact form which I have embedded in a page here. So with the help of this short code, you can embed this form that you have created on any landing page that you can create with the help of WordPress. And here I have embedded this form on this page. Okay, right? And we have made a connection also. Now you can see as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So now we are going to capture the response from the webhook connection, and to do that we have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be equals to the trigger event that we have selected, that is new form submission. So we are going to fill the form on the behalf of any demo lead, and we will capture the data of that form submission as the test data. Okay, so this is my form. Let me fill here the details. So this is a simple form I have created. You can create an opt-in form for your user. You can customize this page according to you. I'm just showing you the demo. So I'm filling the details as Zoya Khan is filling this form, and this is the email address of this person, and I'm going to click on submit form. Okay, so you can see the form is getting submitted here, and this is the message we have received from the other side, and we are done. The form is submitted. Let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this form submission in the response. And here you can see in the response, we got the details of the form submission as this: the first name, the last name, the email, and all the inputs. Okay, so this is how we can capture the test data. Now guys, what we want to add this person whose data we have collected to add inside our marketing application, which is UseInBox. Okay, so here you have to use this action step, and from this choose app field, choose the action application now as UseInBox. Search for UseInBox or just type inbox here, and it will show you this logo. So select this. Okay, and in the action event, select this option. Let me show you, add contact to contact list. Okay, so this endpoint used for adding single contacts to a selected contact list. Okay, then after this, click on connect button, and from here you have to use your login credentials to add this, to make this connection with inbox application. Okay, so after filling the credentials, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with inbox. So let me fill in the details here, and then I'll click on save. You can see it is showing connected. So we are connected with inbox, and now it is asking for the email address of the contact list ID, and the first name and the last name. Okay, so guys, here let me show you my inbox application, and these are the contacts lists I have created here. There are two lists: Pabbly Connect contact list and my first contact list. So you have to select the list from this field. Okay, so it will show you both of the lists. So I'm selecting Pabbly Connect contact list, and to enter the email here, I'm going to use this first step where we have collected the data of the form submission, and here we have received these labels, the form data email label in which we have got the data of the person. Okay, so I'm going to map the label here. Just click here on the email field, and you will see this Fluent form submissions option in the drop down, and when you click on it, you can see all the data that you have received in the first step, and from here only I'm going to map this email label like this. Okay, and for the first name, use the same process, and for the last name also. So guys, when you map the data like this, what will happen? Whenever, after setting up this automation, whenever you receive a form submission, these labels are going to change, and a fresh and new data will arrive here, and that is going to be saved inside the list of your inbox application. Okay, so now you can check your connection also. Let me show you in my list, Pabbly Connect contact list. We have, you can see 13 contacts right now. Okay, so we have 13 contacts right now, which are these. So let me click on save and send test request here in my workflow, and a new contact will be added inside inbox application. Let me show you. I have clicked on save and send test request, and this is the response we have received here. And it is showing your operation has been completed successfully. Let's check in my inbox contact list if we got the data. So I'm refreshing my contacts, and here you can see if we have the data. And here in this list you can see we have got a new contact added here, and when you open this contact you can see all the details related to the contact named here as Zoya Khan. So this is the same data that I have mapped here, you can see, and we got these details here added in the list. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. You have to connect Fluent forms in the trigger, make the connection, fetch the test data, then connect inbox in the actions tab and map the data like this only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you receive a form submission, the contacts are going to be added inside your inbox application automatically. And the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.